path of golden leaves. In the quiet village of Amber Hollow, there was a tale whispered among the villagers about a magical path deep in the forest. They called it the Path of Golden Leaves. Legend said it only appeared in autumn, when the trees were ablaze with shades of gold and red. Those who followed the path could find their greatest wish waiting at its end, but only if their heart was true. Leela had always loved the autumn season. She would spend hours collecting colorful leaves and making crowns out of them. One day, as she walked through the forest with her little dog, Pip, she saw something unusual. The leaves on the ground were glowing faintly, creating a trail that stretched deep into the woods. "Is this the path of golden leaves?" Leela whispered, her eyes wide. Pip barked excitedly and tugged at her skirt, urging her to follow. Leela hesitated. She had heard the stories, but no one in the village had ever claimed to see the path themselves. Curiosity got the better of her, and she decided to follow the glowing trail. As she walked, the air grew warmer, and the golden leaves shimmered under her feet like tiny suns. The trees whispered softly, their branches swaying as if guiding her forward. Pip trotted ahead, his tail wagging. After a while, Leela reached a clearing. In the center stood an ancient oak tree with leaves that sparkled like gold. Beneath the tree was a small wooden box with intricate carvings. "This must be it," Leela said, kneeling down to inspect the box. As she touched it, the carvings began to glow, and a gentle voice spoke from the tree. "You have found the path of golden leaves, child. Speak your wish, and if your heart is true, it shall be granted." Leela thought carefully. She could wish for anything: riches, power, or even fame. But none of those things felt right. She looked at Pip, who wagged his tail, and then thought about her village. "I wish for the forest to stay beautiful forever," Leela said finally, "so that everyone can enjoy its magic and beauty for years to come." The oak tree's golden leaves shimmered, and the voice spoke again. "Your wish is selfless and pure. It shall be granted." The wooden box opened, revealing a small acorn glowing with golden light. "Plant this acorn near your village," the voice said. "It will grow into a tree that will protect the forest and ensure its beauty remains." Leela carefully took the acorn and thanked the ancient tree. She and Pip followed the path back to the village, where the golden leaves slowly faded behind them. When Leela planted the acorn near the edge of Amber Hollow, the ground glowed softly, and a tiny sprout emerged almost instantly. Over time, the tree grew tall and strong, its leaves shining like gold every autumn. The villagers marveled at its beauty and cherished the forest even more. And so the Path of Golden Leaves became more than a legend. It became a reminder of Leela's wish and the magic that kindness can bring.